Unlocking the Joys of Joyous Celebration. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a vibrant expression that's all about happiness and togetherness, joyous celebration. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love diving deeper into its nuances, this video is for you. Let's unravel the layers of this wonderful phrase together. First, let's dissect joyous celebration into its two key components, joyous and celebration. Joyous is an adjective that describes something full of joy, happiness, or causing delight. It's more than just being happy. It's a profound state of happiness that's often shared with others. Celebration is a noun that refers to the act of marking a special event, occasion, or achievement with enjoyable activities, gatherings, or ceremonies. It's about acknowledging something significant with enthusiasm and pleasure. When combined, joyous celebration refers to a festive gathering or event marked by a deep sense of happiness and shared joy. It's not just any celebration. It's one that's overflowing with positive emotions, shared smiles, and a sense of community. Now that we know what joyous celebration means, let's explore how and when to use this phrase. Special occasions. This phrase is perfect for describing celebrations like birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, or significant holidays. It emphasizes the happiness and communal joy of these events. Cultural festivals. Many cultures have festivals that are epitomes of joyous celebrations. Think of events like Diwali, Christmas, or Carnival, where the focus is on happiness, togetherness, and festivity. Personal achievements. Graduations, promotions, or personal milestones can also be described as joyous celebrations. Here, the phrase highlights the personal joy and the collective happiness of friends and family. Let's put joyous celebration into action with some examples. The city's streets were filled with people during the joyous celebration of the national holiday. Their wedding was a joyous celebration that brought together friends and family from across the world. Achieving this milestone called for a joyous celebration, marking years of hard work and dedication. Understanding the phrase, joyous celebration, enriches our appreciation of the English language's capacity to capture the depth of human emotions and social connections. It's not just about the words we use. It's about the feelings and experiences they convey. We hope this exploration adds a little more joy to your language learning journey and inspires you to celebrate the small and big moments in life. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more insights and joy with you in our future videos.